Yeah, hello guys. Welcome back to Spoken Hindi Tips by Minakshi. And today we'll see how to use past continuous tense in Hindi. Okay, so what is past continuous tense in English? In English, when we use the sentences like he was reading or they were eating, so these are all past continuous sentences in English. So whenever was or were plus ing form is there in English, in Hindi you have to use raha, rahi, rahe depending on the gender plus tha or thi or the. So if the subject is a masculine, you have to use tha. If the subject is a feminine, you have to use thi. And if the subject is a plural one, then you have to use the. Okay. So let's look at the examples and let us start with first person singular. Okay. So the first sentence is I was walking yesterday. In Hindi, it becomes मैं कल काम कर रही थी. मैं कल काम कर रही थी for females. If the subject is a male, he will say मैं कल काम कर रहा था. मैं कल काम कर रहा था. Okay. Now the second sentence I was playing. In Hindi, मैं खेल रही थी. मैं खेल रही थी. And if the subject is a male, you have to say मैं खेल रहा था. मैं खेल रहा था. So now coming to first person plural, that is we. So when we say we were walking yesterday, we were walking yesterday. In Hindi, हम कल काम कर रहे थे. हम कल काम कर रहे थे. Okay, now the second sentence, we were playing. In Hindi, हम खेल रहे थे. हम खेल रहे थे. Now coming to second person singular. So when you say in English, were you walking yesterday? That is formal. In Hindi, क्या आप कल काम कर रहे थे? क्या आप कल काम कर रहे थे? Now we are using aap because it's a formal you. Okay. Now the second sentence, were you playing? That is informal. In Hindi, क्या तुम खेल रहे थे? क्या तुम खेल रहे थे? Now we are using tum here because now this you is considered as informal. So whenever it is informal you, the person is younger to you or he is your friend and all, you can use tum. Okay. So now coming to second person plural, you guys. Okay, so the first sentence, were you guys walking yesterday? Were you guys walking yesterday? Formal. In Hindi, क्या आप लोग कल काम कर रहे थे? क्या आप लोग कल काम कर रहे थे? Now again using आप लोग because it's formal you guys. Okay. Now the second sentence, were you guys playing? Informal. So in Hindi it becomes क्या तुम लोग खेल रहे थे? क्या तुम लोग खेल रहे थे? So now coming to third person singular, and when the subject is a male, that is masculine. So in English we use he. So first sentence is he was walking yesterday. In Hindi, वह कल काम कर रहा था. वह कल काम कर रहा था. The second sentence, he was playing. In Hindi, वह खेल रहा था. वह खेल रहा था. Now coming to third person singular, but the subject is a feminine. Like when the subject is a female, that is she. So the first sentence, she was walking yesterday. In Hindi, वह कल काम कर रही थी. वह कल काम कर रही थी. The second sentence, she was playing. In Hindi, वह खेल रही थी. वह खेल रही थी. So now coming to third person plural, that is they. So the first sentence, they were walking yesterday. In Hindi, वे कल काम कर रहे थे. वे कल काम कर रहे थे. Okay, the second sentence, they were playing. In Hindi, वे खेल रहे थे. वे खेल रहे थे. So what are the important points to remember from this video? So what we have to remember is, in past continuous tense, most of these sentences will end with tha or thi or the, depending on the gender or singular or plural. Okay, so the helping verb was in English corresponds to tha or thi in Hindi. So if the subject is male, you have to use tha. If the subject is female, you have to use thi. Okay, and the helping verb were in English corresponds to the in Hindi. So when the subject is plural, you have to always use the in Hindi. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. If any question is there, you can ask me in the comment section. See you guys again in the next video. And yeah, if you like this video, please do subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.